Oh, here we have another autopsy. So, let's see what we can get out of here. We're getting to the point that we need to see. Good, perfect. Okay, good. So, what are we gonna get out of here? Where are we gonna start? Taking things off. Let's see, click this. Yeah, that's right, man. What the fuck do you say? Now that you're recording, can you repeat that? It would be like the weird thing. I know. Freelance that shit. So what is that the first time you're doing this? And there's someone listening. That's the weird. That is the thing, because you already know concept that you're recording with the phone. Yeah, that's right. So how weird would it sound? Someone else is listening. Yeah. You're not wondering. That's the fuck. That's right. That's right. That's right. All right. So describe to you what we doing. What the. Would you like to hear that? So, description. Mala? Honestly, I have no idea all you guys talking back terminology. And that'll be the funny part to actually discover. The organs. So where do we start? Alright, so let's do clean cool first. Interesting. Oh, here's this one we want. For this part. Let's see how long it is. Pretty dope. Blah. So we want to get this shit. No, there's no editing the voice. As soon as you record, we go full on blast. And I was like, we gotta get cuts. I still don't know how to do that. Shoot, we got cuts. Where's the cut? And what is it that we talk about? Yeah. I really want to get a comfortable mood on this. What do you do as question the question to yourself with no one else responding back to you except yourself and the cell using his microphone, which is his hearing, and then the other side the speaker is pronouncing blah. So as autopsy goes, so we got the organs. So we want to capture this, maintain this, get started with this, which is the zippers that we intend to want. It sounds different, but conversation to someone else. And then what do we talk about? Since no one's around, we would just begin. There you go. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. It's pretty cool. I like the design. I was expecting some other one, but apparently we don't replace those perfectly. To get like a swing on this stuff, like I guess you consider vlogging, trying something different besides the other stuff I've been doing. Ooh, timber. You wanna get a closer look, Sal? Alright, so here we go. So obviously we're going down here. little by little. Alright, so you stay put there and I'll continue. Right, so as we have the cell right here, watching, it's data's collecting, watch the Capex numbers, which is red magic, counting down, which is phenomenal, but we continue on here. That's pretty good stuff here. We don't wanna mess it up. So I hope this is the part that just comes off. Like it'll be pretty cool. The China. Okay, we don't give a fuck. Yeah, we do. Let's see. I guess we get to change something about this. What the hell is it that you do? See facial. Damn. Well, just shut up and do this shit, fool. We don't want to hear you talking. How's your day going? Like, wow. Day-to-day life. What is it that intrigues you? What catches your attention? What is it that catches your phenomenon? Brain status. What is it that intrigues you? What is the cause? Like, what the fuck? Whatever. Let's just post something and look retarded. And then when I explain to them thoroughly, what is it that you're actually putting on there? Damn. Be like, we're gonna hear a lot of fucked up shit. While the cell records with its organs that I defined is the brain status of data collecting, or is it that we define it as hearing and the speaker pronounces? So, how is it that we describe mental health? Damn, deep subject. I've been wondering about mental health the whole time. What is it that is mental health? And what is it considered talking to yourself? It's dangerous. Seems to be a little bit of excitement to myself. Now that you just have the cell recording my voice or me talking to the microphone and it's pronouncing through your speaker, and we identify how is it that the teleport device works. Man, so deep. Good. Oh, there's another station there. Let's see, let's open this up. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be some phenomenal shit. Damn. What is it that you just find? What the fuck, you? So the cussing, huh? Fuck, I gotta change our pronunciation. I don't know, sometimes I like to like exaggerate the word, but damn, like it's just like hearing the word itself and how you pronounce it. Or the situation. I guess when you say pronounce, trying to make this video seems like more like exciting. Like, but it says like seems bad, you know, I guess. Yeah, crucial. Take the little side on. So much for that part, huh? Interacting with the camera. Well, with the cell. Interacting with the cell, because I'm not really talking to a camera. I'm talking to a cell. How are the point of views on that one right there? That's the interesting part. So if I didn't press record and there was no one around you, I was talking to myself. So is that a weird part? So how to plan anything in your daily life? How do we do that? The concept of that. Holy. So what is it that this person talks about? What is it that people talk about? Yeah, you want to talk about like, I don't know. Yes, right, huh? For me to myself, just talk about the subject that you want. Holy shit. Damn, if you got a white-based audience, and it's like, no, you're not really looking for audience, but you put stuff in there people would watch. That is true. Holy fuck. Continue consulting with yourself. Even though you have that thing recording, just ignore it, right? Yeah, based on this, I think we should ignore the concept that the mic is the cell and the speaker is pronouncing of the brain function of regular human. And if not based on that, since we define something different. Yeah. Would that be scary? If we try this shit out and just let the K-Pax numbers go? It's a long video though, right? And it's boring because it's just doing this.